Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Yoga with Ankit, and today in this video we are going to talk all about Surya Namaskar, everything we need to know, how to do it, what are the benefits of it, how to get all the postures correct. So without any further ado, let's get started.
Surya Namaskar is a balanced routine of breathing and physical movements. It is a 12-step process composing of forward bending, stretching, back bending and balancing. And these are the basic physical movement needed to keep the body fit, healthy and agile. Surya Namaskar brings in a lot of benefits with it, which you can read on your screen. It is an overall body exercise which you can perform as a part of your warming up routine daily. A set of 3 to 5 Surya Namaskars is a good number to start with. Let's now understand all 12 postures into detail. Start by aligning yourself in the front of your mat, keeping both the feet close to each other, avoiding large gap between the feet. And also avoid touching the feet together, place the feet with a small gap in between. So now we are ready to start the Surya Namaskar. The first step is called as Pranamasana or prayer pose, where we join our palms like we do during the prayer time, and with that bringing our focus on the mat. Going into the second pose of Hastha Uttanasana, we inhale and raise both the arms straight up, and we look back by gently bending the spine backwards, keeping the elbows and knees straight, holding the pose for a couple of seconds. Then exhaling and bending forward, we try to take our fingers towards the floor and head towards the knee. This is called as Uttanasana or Padahastasana. For beginners, it is okay if they can't reach the floor, but what you can do is to keep the knee and spine straight and look forward, and feeling the stretching in the lower thigh muscles. As a beginner, we gently bend the knees to place the arms near the feet. Avoid keeping the arms ahead or behind the feet, but try to keep them in line with the legs. So a straight line following the line of the feet is good. With this, the whole body weight is transferred through the legs and the arms into the floor. If you feel some restrictions in placing the arm near the feet, you can place them in front, but don't keep them behind. Now choosing one of the legs, let's say the right leg, and taking it back, stretching the leg muscles. Don't keep the feet very close to the body. Take it back and feel the stretch in the upper thigh muscles. While you do so, keeping the right knee in the ground and left perpendicular to the floor along with the arms, we create a straight line. This pose is Ashva Sanchalanasana, a balancing pose to keep the body stable. The placement of the fingers can be according to the ability and comfort. A common practice which a lot of people follow is to keep the knee bent at different angles. Well, such postures do not fall under the classical Surya Namaskar, so we will avoid it in this video. Next, we take both our feet back and place them close to each other, keeping the knee straight and body aligned. This is our fifth pose of Dandasana or planks. Avoid bending the waist up or down, making an arch, but rather keep it straight in one line, while making sure that the arms are straight and perpendicular to the floor. Next, place the knee on the floor and take the body forward towards the floor, but touching only the feet, the knee, the palms, the chest and the forehead or the chin. This is Ashtanga Namaskar pose. Here the waist is raised up and not touching the floor. Now we are lying down fully on the floor. We gently lift ourselves up, stretching forward, inhaling. The shoulders are relaxed and the elbows are bent. We look up into Bhujangasana or Cobra pose. Next, come back on the knees by lifting yourself up, straightening the knees, stretching inwards and trying to touch the feet fully on the ground. This is Parvatasana or downward dog pose. Try to stretch the shoulders inwards to get the straight back. You should feel the stretching in the lower thigh muscles while you do so. Then while coming back, bring the same feet forward, and in our case it's the right leg. Here if you feel restricted, don't give up and bring the feet slowly. Back to Ashva Sanchalanasana. Don't change the position of the palms. Bring the other feet back in between the arms, straightening the knees and going into Padahastasana. We bend forward as much as we can and try to make the backbone straighter and looking forward. The reason we are keeping the spine straight is to avoid the bulging of the back. We look backward into Hastha Uttanasana and gently exhaling back into prayer position. Let us do a Surya Namaskar together one more time to get the idea of the flow and its rhythm. Also, you can see if you can catch up with me. Also, I would like to know from you how many Surya Namaskars you can do at a stretch. Let me know in the comment sections down below. So before we go, I would like to share that I will be posting videos about yoga and basics each week. So if you like the video and want to see similar video, hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the notification and updates to practice with me. So that's it. See you next week. Namaste.